Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm making this very video on the statement of the President of America, Mr. Donald Trump. He has humiliated the feelings of Pakistanis and he threatened us that they will destroy us. Mr. Trump, oh Mr. Donald Trump, rather I should say Trump, Mr. Trump, the day when you was elected as the President of America, like me, there were so many people who thought that Allah has started helping us. Because like you, a clownish crazy man is the President of America. So I think, and so many of us had thought that it is the help of Allah. Because now America don't need any enemy. Because Trump is the President of America and he is the greatest enemy of this very great, so-called great USA. So Mr. Trump, before threatening us or attacking us, you must think about your own country. You don't know who we are. And Pakistan is the country of Allah. Pakistan came into being on the name of Allah. An kalamai tayyiba la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. And we are staunch believer of Islam. And we believe in our faith more passionately than any other nation of the world. You cannot defeat us. You cannot defeat us. And every Pakistani, I am a disabled Pakistani. Look, even a disabled Pakistani is answering you. And when Pakistan Army, the greatest army of the world, and all Pakistanis, when you will have to face these great people, you would be destroyed. Don't ever think now to threaten us, okay? This is not Pakistan of 2001. This is 2017, Mr. Trump. And we are not like that very nation which we were in 2001. We have a great strength of youth. 50% of our population is based on youth. And all energetic, all passionate about their religion and about their country. So you don't take any panga. Mr. Trump, ask any your translator to translate for you the meaning of panga, okay? And in the end, I say to all my Pakistanis, be brave and be a great Muslim and great Pakistani, because I love Pakistan as I love Islam. Pakistan is based on Allah's ideology. So we must seek help to Allah. Allah says in Quran, and I am asking help from Allah as I pray. In the end of Surah Baqarah, Allah says, فَانْصُرْنَا عَلَى الْقَوْمِ الْكَافِرِينَ. Ya Allah, oh my Lord, give us the great success over Kafirin. Ameen. And thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.